It's me. It's gonna be me. The future. I'm gonna change it.
This will be the last time I gaze upon this planet.
Lord Frieza!
Frieza! We gotta stop him! Don't let him get near the ship! He's injured! We can bring him down! There's nothing you bastards can do to stop me! It's the end! I'm not done yet! I'm not going down without a fight!
What is this guy? How the hell can he still fight?
Die, damn you! Damn, he's still going!
He's only one man! We can overwhelm him!
Here he comes! Fire at will! Right! Yeah! Don't let him get near the ship! Die, damn you! He's heading straight for us! What an idiot! He clearly wants to die! No, we can't stop him!
Quit your crying, would ya? If we don't stop him, Lord Frieza will kill us!
Damn it! any further! Garbage, all of you! Get the hell out of my way! I die, damn you! We can't let him go any further!
Damn it! Frieza! Show your damn face! You're dead! Do you hear me?
Well, well. So you're still alive, huh? You got guts to show up here.
Dodoria!
I'll make sure to finish you off this time.
I'm gonna kill you and avenge my team!
The hell you talking about? You and all the other monkeys are about to get wiped out by Lord Frieza!
Like hell we are. You and Frieza are dead men!
You ain't got the slightest clue what you're up against!
No way!
Since when was he this strong?
Saiyans get stronger the more we fight. You're finding that out the hard way!
I guess that crap Zarbon was going on about was true. You guys actually might have been a real pain in the ass if you banded together. But any chance of that happening ends today!
Quit your laughing, you spiky tub of lard! I can do this! I can still do this!
The hell?
No way!
You don't know when to quit.
I don't give a damn who he throws at me. I'm taking that bastard Frieza out!
You lousy piece of...
Dodoria!
What do you want? Can't you see that I'm a little bit busy right now?
Stand down at once. Lord Frieza wishes to engage.
Lord Frieza?
Be quick about it, unless you want to die.
Damn it!
He's running away. The hell? Huh?
Lord Frieza! Lord Frieza! Lord Frieza!
Lord Frieza?
What is going on? Frieza. So you finally show your damn face.
I must commend you on your efforts thus far. Although I had originally planned on simply reducing you and your pathetic little planet to smoldering atoms. You've managed to impress me. It would be a shame for such bravery to go unrewarded. I, Emperor Frieza, will graciously engage you in combat. Consider this a parting gift from me to you.
You arrogant bastard!
Now then, when you're ready.
Frieza! You betrayed us! You coward! You're gonna pay for what you've done!
Betrayed you? My, you have lost it, haven't you? Betrayal implies a partnership between equals. You Saiyans and I are anything but. You are inferior, and I am reminding you of that. And as your superior, if I wish you all dead, then you must accept it.
Damn you!
Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself.
Hey, I'm a Saiyan raised on Earth.
What's going on? Was that Frieza? And that other guy standing in front of him, was that Kakarot? Why am I seeing this? Do the two of them fight?
You Saiyans are truly a thorn in my side. Here's where the fun begins. Have a taste of hell itself. This is but a greeting. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself.
Eat that! Eat that! Eat that!
Well then. Well then.
Damn, now of all times?
I intend to rid the universe of every last one of you.
Is this really the future?
This is but a greeting. This is but a greeting. You Saiyans are truly a thorn in my side. Here's where the fun begins. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself. This is but a greeting. Surely you've realized by now just how outclassed you are. If I am a dinosaur, then you are an ant.
Damn it! I'm doing nothing! What the hell?
Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself.
Eat that! Eat that!
Have a taste of hell itself. This is but a greeting. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell.
Not again! I'm going to defeat you! If that's the future, then Planet Vegeta and me.
Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself. You Saiyans are truly a thorn in my side. Here's where the fun begins. Have a taste of hell itself. Have a taste of hell itself.
Eat that!
Have a taste of hell itself. 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 This is but a greeting. You Saiyans are truly a thorn in my side.
Damn it! Damn it!
Even when I restrain myself this much, you still struggle. You Saiyans are truly a thorn in my side. It looks like playtime is now over. So why don't you go and join your brethren in death?
Show him what we Saiyans can really do.
You're dead! You're dead! You're gonna pay!
It's not over. This is it. This will change everything. The fate of Planet Vegeta. My own fate. The fate of Kakarot. Also, your fate as well!
This ends now!
What the?
Farewell, foolish Saiyan.
Hey! All of you, get out of...
Magnificent! Oh my, look at the display! Zarbon, Dodoria, are you seeing these brilliant fireworks?
Kakarot, it's all up to you now. Avenge us. Avenge the Saiyans and Planet Vegeta.
Huh? What do we have here? A baby boy! Where did you come from? Huh? Oh my, look at that! You have a tail! Oh, well, this is no place for a child like you, is it? Would you like to come stay with me? Oh, you're a sprightly little one, aren't you? What do you say to becoming old Son Gohan's new grandson? Sound good? You're gonna need a name. Let's see, Goku! You'll be Son Goku! I'll make sure you grow up nice and strong. Upsy-daisy! 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 Upsy-daisy!
And thus began the epic tale we know today as Dragon Ball.